almost every content creator has vases like these. I can buy myself flowers. The quality is so good. इस सबके ऊपर हार्ट प्रिंट है, आप देख सकते हो कितना सुंदर दिख रहा है. Every second person is ordering this. अब इसे क्या खा सकते हैं? I don't think डोनट वास का क्रेज कभी भी जाने वाला है. Bonsoir, enchanté, your hands on my face. Hello everyone, I'm Surbhi and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a very exciting video. Title से आपने पढ़ लिया होगा. It's going to be a huge Meesho haul. I'm not gonna do a long intro because I have so many things to show you. Recently Meesho की मेगा ब्लॉकबस्टर सेल गई है and मैंने उसका भरपूर फायदा उठाया. I've ordered everything from home decor, crockery, थोड़े बहुत कपड़े and jewelry as well. So without any further blabbering, let's get started with today's video. Okay, honestly guys, मेरे पास ना बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. I have like 21 things to show you. So what I've done is I have divided this video in two parts. This one is going to be a home decor and a crockery haul, and the next part is going to be a jewelry and clothes haul. Try on haul. Also, before I start with the video, just want to let you know everything is going to be linked in the description box below. So in case you like anything, you can head down there. And the next thing is, you know, Meesho पे कभी भी ना prices constant नहीं रहते कि मैंने जिस price पे लिया आपको भी उसी पे मिलेगा. थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे होता है. So keep that in mind while you shop. Let's get started with the first product that I have over here. I don't think डोनट वास का क्रेज कभी भी जाने वाला है. Ever since they've been in trend, they have been in trend क्योंकि इतनी ज्यादा aesthetic है. The first thing that I have over here is this pink donut vase that I got from Meesho. I've got matte finish में ये pink ceramic donut vase. ये मुझे 253 का पड़ा था. I think it's very beautiful. इसका finish बहुत ही stunning है. I absolutely love it. I love the very pale pink sort of a color that it has. The only issue is कि अगर आपको इसमें कोई भी फ्लावर लगाना है ना, उसकी स्टेम ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज इसका शेप ऐसा है वो स्ट्रेट तो नहीं जाएगी, वो ऐसे टेढ़ी होगी. सो यू रियली हैव टू चूज कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फ्लावर डू यू वांट टू पुट इनसाइड इट, क्योंकि वो ऐसे टेढ़े हो जाते हैं. But otherwise, I think it's really cute. If you're looking for some affordable home decor, this is something that should be on your bucket list. I can buy myself flowers. Of course I can, especially जब वो इतने सस्ते और सुंदर हो. I've got this set of 5 hydrangea chrysanthemum sort of flowers in this very like lilac. It's somewhere between lilac and pink, and ये 5 pieces मिले हैं मुझे. They're from this brand called Satyam Craft. If you want something, you know, minimal but still classy in your home to decor, आप ये ले सकते हो. And of course these are fabric, so you can even get them washed. Okay, now I would be honest, ये 225 के पड़े थे तो मुझे प्राइस वाइज थोड़े से वर्थ इट नहीं लगे. I mainly use this because मुझे थोड़े बहुत एस्थेटिक वीडियोस लेने होते हैं, रील्स लेने होते हैं, शॉर्ट्स लेने होते हैं, या कुछ फ्लैटली लेना होता है. मैं ट्राई करती हूँ कि I can place it in a cute little white vase and I would be good to go. By the way, these come in a bunch of colors and mix भी आते हैं, and like you have like 5 pieces, 10 pieces, different pieces depending on what you want. So you can make your choice. Guys, अब इतने pretty flowers को रखने के लिए एक pretty vase तो चाहिए था ना. So I've got this 3-layered ceramic vase in a white color, and can you just tell how pretty it is? इसका बहुत ही कंटेम्प्रेरी मॉडर्न सा डिजाइन है, एंड आई थिंक इट इज ब्यूटिफुल. इसका मैट फिनिश है. आई कीप दीज पिंक फ्लावर्स इनसाइड दिस एंड दे लुक वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. दिस इज द काइंड जो गंदा हो जाएगा, सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक व्हाइट पेंट है इसके ऊपर, सो यू हैव टू बी रियली केयरफुल विद इट. गंदे हाथों से मत टच करना. दिस इज फ्रॉम दिस ब्रांड कॉल्ड डाइव्स, एंड ये मुझे 247 का पड़ा था. आई रियली लाइक द फंकी एंड आर्टिस्टिक डिजाइन दैट इट हैज. आई वुड 100% recommend this because finishing 10 on 10, quality 10 on 10, and aesthetic of course 20 on 10. If you're an Instagram baby and you have been scrolling Instagram and all things internet for a while, Pampas Grass trend में काफी टाइम से हैं, and I can't even tell you मैं कब से ढूंढ रही थी, but they were always very expensive even on Amazon. तो मुझे Pampas Grass का एक alternative मिला Meesho पे, and I had to get it. I've got this 3-piece fur Pampers. Of course guys, this is not like actual Pampas Grass. ये नहीं है. In fact, my husband said ये झाड़ू जैसा दिख रहा है, and I don't deny that, but I think ये combined, okay, it looks really pretty. This one costed me 266, and ये ऐसे 3 pieces में आता है, and I think the quality is really good. It's really soft, and if you have like a beautiful vase, white vase that you just want to place this in your home and give it like a different look, ये उसके लिए perfect है. I think ये मुझे मेरी videos में बहुत काम आने वाला है क्योंकि मुझे बहुत टाइम से चाहिए था. कोई नहीं guys, जल्दी रियल Pampas Grass भी ले लेंगे. I went a little वाज क्रेजी दिस टाइम इतने ब्यूटीफुल ऑफर्स देके, सो आई गॉट अनदर वन हियर. Can I just say I am genuinely mind blown by the quality and look at the wonderful packaging that Meesho does. इतने अच्छे से securely package करके भेजता है, which is great. We have this ceramic stone planter. ये देखने में ऐसा लगेगा कि stones एक के ऊपर एक layered है. If you like earthy contemporary designs like this, I think this one is going to be perfect for you. This one was priced at ₹247. The only little problem is कि ये actual में थोड़ा सा yellowish white है, sort of like an off white, but in the picture it seems like speck white. I personally think कि ये मेरा least favorite design है, क्योंकि whatever flowers you would put inside this ना वो ऐसे खिलेंगे नहीं, it would just be standing like this because of course you know the stem would go deep inside. Last up I have a set of 2 vases and the design is so gorgeous and you can also see the packaging is very secure. It is these 2 face vases. You can see they come in like a very rough sort of a texture. Absolutely love the feel of it. It has a very contemporary design and I'm sure if you've been around on YouTube for a while, you must have seen this because almost every content creator has vases like these. Honestly, I think वो जो पैम्पर्स ग्लास है ना वो इसके अंदर काफी अच्छा लगेगा. ये 2 फेसेस थोड़ी सी दिखने में creepy भी लग सकते हैं, but they both have like a different expression going on. And this set of 2 costed me ₹516. That was it for home decor. Let's move on to our second category, which is crockery. I've got some very little but very aesthetic crockery. पहली चीज तो मुझे भी लगता है ज्यादा प्रैक्टिकल नहीं है, लेकिन प्रिटी बहुत है. So the first thing that I have over here are this very pretty and cute floral teaspoons in stainless steel. They're like, you know, golden color की, gold plated नहीं है, सिर्फ gold polished है. And I think they look very aesthetic. If you're somebody who likes to, you know, take aesthetic food pictures या आप cooking करते हो, I think this would look really great around your food. The only problem is I'm not sure इसके अंदर fit क्या होगा, मतलब इसे क्या खा सकते हैं. But the finishing is amazing. The quality is a solid 10 on 10 and I absolutely love it. And for the price, I think this is pretty good. These 4 spoons costed me $155. अगली चीज तो प्रॉपर समर अप्रोप्रिएट है. अब गर्मियां आ गई है एंड गर्मी में हमारा मन करता है हम ठंडी ठंडी कुछ ना कुछ चीज पीते रहें, एंड उसके लिए परफेक्ट है ये ग्लास टम्बलर. आई एम श्योर आपने आजकल इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत देखा होगा. आई मीन एवरी सेकंड पर्सन इज ऑर्डरिंग दिस एंड आई थिंक इट्स फॉर द राइट रीजंस. द क्वालिटी इज फैबुलस. इट्स दिस वेरी ब्यूटिफुल fluted glass tumbler. As you can see, इसके ऊपर एक ये bamboo का lid है and it has like a vent for straw. They also have a glass straw along with this, so you're just going to put this inside and you know have like your cold coffee and like different things inside it. The quality is so good. This is not like a local flimsy quality का glass, बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. बहुत अच्छा मोटी क्वालिटी का है. You can see the fluted texture that it has. It also makes it very comfortable to hold. मतलब ये slip नहीं करते रहेगा आपकी glass से. The best part is these kind of glassware, glass crockery is very sustainable. Even if you have like a guest at home, you have a friend at home and उनको आपको normal glasses में नहीं serve करना, आप ये ऐसे सुंदर glass में serve कर सकते हो. And of course, it being glass, it's microwave safe as well. This one was priced at ₹305. Wow, we've reached our last product for this video already. Don't worry, इसके बाद एक और part है. Don't forget that it's going to come very soon. It has some beautiful jewelry and clothes, so stay tuned for that. The last thing that I have is very aesthetic cup and saucer set printed with hearts. This is not new. ये मैं अपनी हाथ वाली वीडियो में दिखा चुकी हूँ, but because this is Meesho and ये अभी बहुत अच्छे प्राइस पे मिल रहा है, I thought it would be the best to show you this as well. Since we are talking about drinkware, how aesthetic and Pinteresty is this? ये हम सब ने देखा है Pinterest के ऊपर. And you know what? Even if you don't want to use this as like a saucer or like you know something like that, you can use it as a trinket tray, which I plan to do. I'm going to put some nice jewelry, rings inside it, and it would be so cute. And this was priced at just $296. For the quality of it, I think it is pretty great. By the way, if you want to tell someone you love them, just serve them coffee in this. Lastly, if you are into these cutesy heart printed things, फिर एक और चीज है लास्ट में. I don't have it available with me right now because I gave it to my sister, but it's this set of 4 ceramic bowls. इन सबके ऊपर हार्ट प्रिंट है, आप देख सकते हो कितना सुंदर दिख रहा है. इसका भी क्वालिटी solid 20 on 10 था, और पैकेजिंग के लिए तो don't even get me started. Meesho, thank you so much for delivering all of our ceramic and glass products in such beautiful packaging so that they don't break. I got the ceramic bowls for 560, but you can of course check the price in the description link below. Wow, that was quick, was it? We've come to the end of this video, and let me know if you would love to see more of these Meesho random finds, and I would love to bring them for you, because honestly I feel like lately I have become a little obsessed with Meesho. Every now and then I find myself like scrolling through the app and see कि अब क्या नया है, अब क्या मिल रहा है and stuff like that, because I think the kind of quality that they offer is really good. Of course, clothes ka I would not say the same, but for home decor and crockery, it's beautiful. And that was it for part 1. I'm going to see you in part 2 of this mega blockbuster Meesho haul. So if you like Meesho के things at affordable prices, stay tuned for that. By the way, मुझे बताओ इस वीडियो का आपका सबसे favorite चीज कौन सा था? Let me know in the comments below. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay happy, stay grateful. And just take a moment and subscribe to my channel below.